Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's Mama Leila and happy Sunday. It's approximately 11:45 a.m. In Pacific time in the United States of America. And I want to say I am so heartbroken. I am extremely heartbroken by what's happening in Awdal, and the main reason I was supporting President Erro during the election is because he promised he will unify the country. I want him to unify us. I want him to keep his promises because that was on that merit we have elected him. One more thing, Somalis from Somalia, especially in diaspora, who are drumming the drums and wishing chaos for Somaliland, I want to tell them, shame on you. Shame on you. I am someone who actually supports the unity of Somali people, not the unity of two states. I support our unity, our economical collaboration. Maybe in the far distance future, I don't mind if the two states unified. But with this type of mentality, it's impossible for us to come together. We need to heal, not to do qabyalat and chaos. Let me remind you, Awdal state would always be part of Somaliland, an extremely significant part of Somaliland. And one of our president, a distinguished president, was from Awdal state. Just remember that. Salam alaikum.
dhalinyaradana uma baaqin inay hub soo qaataan laakiin waxaan ugu baaqnay in marka waxay xaq u leeyihiin ay fulinayaan ee dastuurku siiyay in haddii ciidanku si xaq darro ama sharci darro uu rasaas ugu furo ay isu dhigaan maantana waxaan leeyahay isu dhiga dhammaan shacbiga Somaliland waana nagu qori ma sideen ka soo riyadayna eegi doonaa kaasina dambi buu la kulmi doonaa ku rida qof aan rasaas sideen oo hub sideen maalin baa la xukumi doonaa oo la qisaasi doonaa waxa dambi geystay